All right, let's take a quick tour through some of the most stunning interiors you'll ever see. Whether you're into cozy homes, sleek apartments, luxury suites, there's something magical about how a space can come alive with the right decor. First up, let's talk about homes. Living room flooded with natural light, plush sofas you just want to sink into, a fireplace that instantly makes you feel at home. The key here, layering textures. Think chunky knit throws velvet pillows, a soft rug underfoot. Add a gallery wall with art that tells your story. Don't forget a few plants for that fresh, lively vibe. Now, apartments. Space might be limited, but style definitely isn't. Open shelving in the kitchen keeps things airy. Clever storage solutions like ottomans that double as coffee tables. Mirrors to bounce light and make spaces feel bigger. Go bold with accent walls. Or use statement lighting. Let's move on to suites. Dreamy, hotel-inspired spaces. Think plush bedding, blackout curtains, a curated minibar for a touch of luxury. Suites are about relaxation. Keep the palette calm, soft neutrals, gentle blues, maybe a hint of gold or brass. And the bathroom, fluffy towels, a rainfall shower, a few candles to turn it into a personal spa. Back to houses, open concept spaces made for entertaining. Big kitchen islands, pendant lights, long dining tables where everyone can gather. Mix and match chairs for an eclectic look. Bring in greenery for a fresh, inviting atmosphere. No matter where you live, house, apartment, suite, it's all about making your space reflect your personality. Play with color. Experiment with textures. Don't be afraid to mix old and new. The best interiors aren't just beautiful. They tell your story, one detail at a time. So, what's your dream space? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more interior inspiration.